Living on a farm can be a source of immense joy and well-being for several reasons. Farms are usually located in rural settings surrounded by nature. Living in such an environment allows for a deep connection with the natural world, providing a sense of peace and tranquility. Farm life often encourages a simpler and slower pace of living. Away from the hustle and bustle of urban areas, one can appreciate the beauty of a more relaxed lifestyle. Farm life involves various physical activities, from tending to crops and animals to maintaining the property. This can contribute to a healthier and more active lifestyle, reducing stress and promoting overall well-being. Living on a farm often means having access to fresh, locally grown produce. A diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, and other farm products can positively impact physical health and energy levels. Successfully managing a farm, whether for personal use or as a business, can provide a profound sense of accomplishment. Watching crops grow, raising animals, and seeing the results of your efforts can be incredibly rewarding. Rural communities often have a strong sense of community. Living on a farm provides the opportunity to connect with neighbors and participate in local events, fostering a sense of belonging and support. The peaceful and quiet surroundings of a farm can contribute to stress reduction. The absence of noise pollution and the closeness to nature have been linked to improved mental health. Farm living promotes self-sufficiency. Producing your own food and resources can reduce dependence on external sources, giving a sense of autonomy and security. For many people, the companionship of animals is a significant source of happiness. Farm life often involves interacting with animals, forming bonds that can be emotionally fulfilling. In summary, living on a farm can be a fulfilling and happy experience due to its connection with nature, simplicity, physical activity, access to fresh food, a sense of accomplishment, community ties, stress reduction, continuous learning, self-sufficiency, and the joy of connecting with animals.